Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first you have to open notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon and then click and hold it to enter the Bluetooth settings. Do the same thing on the second smartphone or the device that you are going to connect. Click here to pair new device. And if you've got on the available devices your device, you have to just simply tap on it. So as you can see, my Huawei P40 Pro find Motorola, and the same happened on the Motorola. So just click on the device that you want to connect, accept the pair, and as you can see right now our devices are currently connected, so we can right now easily send data between them. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.